In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up and installing your Epson WorkForce WF-7610 series printer on your Linux, Mac OS, or Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson WorkForce WF-7610 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result, you come back with an Epson support page. This is Epson WorkForce WF-7610. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, you want to select your operating system from the drop-down, whether it's Linux, Mac OS, or Windows, and then select Go. And now scrolling down again, you want to select the driver and utility combo package installer and the download button for that. And then once it's on your device, just go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be assigned to verified publisher from Epson. Select yes to proceed. And then just go ahead with the installer. Should have everything you need to use your Epson WorkForce WF-7610 printer. Select OK, and then walk through the on-screen steps of configuring your printer based on your preferences, such as wired or wireless-based printing, as well as optional features you may want to include or install. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.